Sometimes you try and start your car and the lights might come on, but there's nobody home because it doesn't want to start. And it just makes like a sprinkler. That means you've drained your battery, dear souls. If you have a manual and no one's around or you don't have jumper cables, I'm going to teach you how to do a rolling start. If you have a hill, great. Even a short driveway with just a little slope is going to work. You're going to make sure you've got your clutch in, which is the one right on the left, girls. Right on the left, and your foot is on the brake. Make sure the handbrake is down, please. Put your key, just switch it on. Then you're going to put your gears into second. Then what we're going to do is hold on to the steering wheel for dear life. Make sure there's no other cars in the vicinity. And then what we're going to do is just let go of the brake. We're moving very slow. And when you start to get some momentum, then what you're going to do is drop the clutch, which means take your foot off the clutch fast, and then voila. Mistakes to avoid is being too gentle with that clutch. When they say drop the clutch, they mean drop the clutch. Don't be hesitant and like, oh, we ain't got time for that, girl. Just boom, gone. Woo.